what is the live application for the waves? We have the jacuzzi, and it's a tub where water move in the form of circular waves. Here I have circular waves, and it's found in most healthy clubs. What is the usage for the jacuzzi in our life? We can use it to treat sprains and cramps by using the hot water, and it can used also to treat nervous tension by using the cold water. So again, it's consists of what? It's look like what? Here I have water, and it move in a form of circular wave. And these waves is going to treat what? If I used hot water, so it's going to treat sprains and cramps, okay? But if you are going to use cold water, in this case, the jacuzzi is going to treat what? The nervous tension, okay? So again, today we discussed together at the beginning, we discussed together the meaning of the word wave. We said wave is a disturbance that propagate and travel the energy through the medium particles. واتكلمنا على ال types of waves، وقلنا لو أنا هتكلم على ال types of waves I'm going to classify it according to the direction of the direction of vibration of medium particles according to the direction of wave propagation. وقلنا I'm going to classify it into two types: transverse wave و longitudinal wave. Transverse wave, it's consists of crest and trough when the particles vibrate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. And the second type, we have longitudinal wave when the medium particles vibrate along the direction of wave propagation. وقلنا في longitudinal wave the particles vibrate and forming compression and rarefaction. وقلنا compression when the medium particles have high density, high pressure, but in the rarefaction the medium particles have low density and low pressure. وقلنا if you want to classify the waves according to the ability to propagate and transfer energy, we have two types. We have mechanical waves and we have electromagnetic waves, okay? وخدنا live application about the waves, which is the jacuzzi, which it's considered as a tub where the water move in a circular waves, and it's used to treat the sprains and the cramps by using the hot water, and used to treat nervous tension by using the cold water, okay? In the second session, or in the next session inshallah, we are going to discuss together the second type of waves, which is the electromagnetic waves and the mechanical waves, and we are going to discuss the properties of waves, okay? Now we are going to check our understanding by solving some questions. Let's start with the first type of the questions here. Complete the sentences. Waves are classified according to ability to propagate and transfer energy into what and what? According to ability to propagate and transfer energy, so we have two types. What are they? We have electromagnetic waves and mechanical waves. The crest in the what wave is equivalent to the what in the longitudinal wave. The crest هي the highest point in the transverse wave. So the crest in the transverse wave is equivalent يعني the same to the what in the longitudinal wave, to the compression in the longitudinal wave. So the crest is equivalent to the compression. Crest in the transverse wave, but compression in the longitudinal wave. Third question here. Jacuzzi is used to treat space and the cramps by using the hot water. قلنا by using hot water is going to treat sprains and cramps. Sprains and cramps. Type. It's used in what? To treat what? By using the cold water? Nervous tension. So if you feel nerve tension, you are going to use jacuzzi but with a cold water. If I feel sprain and cramps اللي هو الشد العضلي, so I'm going to use jacuzzi but with a hot water. Number 4, the longitudinal wave consists of, we said longitudinal wave, it consists of what? It consists of compression and rarefaction. And again, compression is when the medium particles are in a high pressure or high density, with rarefaction when the medium particles are in the lowest pressure, lowest density. Choose. The movement of a swing is known as what? swing يعني it's a oscillating body vibrate around its rest position and this motion repeated at equal periods of time. So here it's considered as oscillatory motion. So the motion of a swing is oscillatory motion. طيب kinetic energy equals half times what? We said it's half times mv square. m represent the mass, v represent the velocity. طيب the amplitude of the simple pendulum is what of a complete vibration. The amplitude we said in the complete oscillation it's considered as what? Considered as 4 amplitudes. طب as in the complete oscillation is 4 amplitudes, so the one amplitude is considered as what from the complete oscillation? It's
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.